Hi everyone! Hello sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa Leluna Tarot. Today is June 30, Sunday. Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Kamusta kayo? So, this is the video kung saan ninyo i-comment ang inyong username sa YouTube, and then I will randomly um, I will get all your username, then I will list it. Okay? And then, makikita nyo yon sa sa isang bowl. Okay? Papakita ko yon sa next upload ko. Okay? And then, ipapakita ko doon yung pagbunot kung sino ang mananalo ng free reading kay Leluna. Okay, so ito yung video kung saan ninyo i-comment yung inyong username kay YouTube. Okay, kaya sabi ko 'di ba, abangan ninyo. So this is it, Pansit. Okay, sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, welcome sa inyong lahat, and sa mga nakasubscribe na, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to do a short pick a card reading on about energy checkup. Okay? So, titingnan natin energy checkup ninyo. What is your energy? Ano ba yung makukuha natin doon sa energy ninyo? Kung saan, kung ano yung pipiliin yung pile is doon nakapaloob yung reading. Okay? So, I use two different decks for this one. So, the first one and the second one. So, dun sa may second one natin is meron kayong tagtatlong tarot card. Okay? So, sa mga sanay na po at palaging nanonood kay Leluna, pili kayo ng card kung anong card yung sa tingin ninyo mag-resonate sa inyo, and let's see what is your energy today. Okay? So, this is pile number 1. Pile number 2, pile number 3, pile number 4, and pile number 5. Okay, again, this is a short pick a card reading energy checkup. Okay, so pili na kayo guys, okay, ng pile from 1 to 5. Kung ano ang pipiliin ninyo, and then I will start with this pile number 1. Okay, ASAP. Okay? So, pili na kayo guys. I will give you seconds to choose your pile. Hindi ko na itatago or itatabi yung other pile. Babasahin ko na lang siya as is. Okay? So, again, ito yung video kung saan ninyo i-comment sa comment section nung upload na video na ito, yung username ninyo. Okay? So, choose your pile now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Energy checkup. Okay. Sa ating mga viewers na pumili ng pile number 1, ito ang energy checkup mo today. So, ano yung energy checkup mo? Ano yung sigurong nararamdaman mo ngayon? Pwedeng pinagdadaanan mo ngayon? Ano yung nangyayari sa'yo ngayon? Titingnan natin yon. Kung pile number 1 ang napili mo, ito yung energy checkup mo. Again, this is a short pick a card reading, so hindi to mahaba. Kasi mamaya baka meron ako mabasa sa comment section na bakit ang ikli-ikli lang or anything. Pasensya na po kayo. This is a short pick a card reading intended to put your username para dun sa mga mananalo ng free personal reading. So, 2 person yun. Okay, so let's start with pile number 1. Pile number 1, ano ang energy mo? Tingnan natin. Ace of Swords. Can be air sign. Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. You can be a student or studying right now, or journaling, okay? You can also mahilig mag-aral, mahilig kang magsulat, either story, but basta about journalism or anything, or you are studying literally. Yung iba sa inyo can be busy, okay? Working can be working or meron kayong specific task, job na ginagawa or tinatapos because may deadline. It can be. And also, meron akong nakita, Ace of Swords. This is, again, about the communication, okay? Since, air sign ka, logical, okay? When it comes sa pagdedesisyon, communication, being logical. So, you are waiting o pwedeng may hinihintay kang message, may hinihintay kang balita, may hinihintay ka na update when it regards nga doon sa study, sa trabaho, or anything na about sa communication. So, tingnan natin yung tatlong tarot card mo. Pile number 1. Passion. Knight of Wands. Hmm. Okay. Siguro you are waiting about a suitor or about a message sa specific suitor or kachat mo ngayon or kausap mo, can be, or about sa passionate na endeavor na ginagawa mo. Yun nga, sabi ko nga trabaho or study. Kasi meron akong nakikita dito na po pwedeng may hinihintay ka nga na message of or communication. This is a fire sign. Okay. Second card mo, Judgment. Number 20. Hmm, 'di ba? Sabi ko nga, since air sign ka, Ace of Swords itong energy mo ngayon, pupwedeng nag-evaluate ka, nagdedesisyon ka, meron kang kailangan pagdesisyonan, okay? Or meron kang naisip na gagawin when it comes sa passionate endeavor mo nga. Pwedeng trabaho to, pwedeng business, okay? Or currently right now, you are undergo a pamimili or a decision making when it comes kung anong business, kung anong um, gagawin mo. Okay? Can be a message also. You are waiting or sending a message of forgiveness to someone. For example, apology. You're going to message someone for an apology. Okay? Or asking for apology. Okay? Or currently you are in a conversation on someone. When it regards sa o pwedeng trabaho or personal matter. Sabi ko nga, endeavor or anything. So, yun yung nakukuha ko. O, di ba? Next card is Eight of Wands. Isa sa mga card mo is Eight of Wands, which is um okay. So, wands is an action, okay? Action when it comes sa tarot. So, ibig sabihin, you're waiting or you are talking or you are communicating, conversing to someone or having a decision if you are going to, alam mo yon yung message or puntahan siya or vice versa, going to, may pupuntahan ka eh. You're talking to someone. O pwede sigurong balak mo puntahan yun, pinagdidesisyonan mo kung pupuntahan mo ba yun, tutunguhan mo siya para magkaroon kayo ng conversation. Po pwedeng ganon, or vice versa. Again, mhm. It can be, sabi ko nga, about sa communication to a specific suitor or a relationship. Okay, talking to someone. Or you have an awakening or siguro sabi natin nakapag-desisyon ka and honest na finger, gusto mo, okay, sige, I will go to someone to talk to her or him or parang ganon. Siguro nagkatampuhan or anything na may pinag-uusapan. Communication po. Okay. So this is a communication about going somewhere, doing something, parang ganon. Okay? So, pa number one, this is your current energy right now. So, po pwede nakapag-desisyon ka na or currently nagdi-desisyon pa. Okay? So, thank you so much, pal number one. Kung di man resonated, you are free to choose other pile. Okay? Kasi mamaya baka mag-resonate sa'yo yung other pile. So, thank you so much sa mga pumili ng pile number one. I will go to pile number two. Pile number two, kung ito ang napili mo, tingnan natin energy check-up mo. Ano yung currently energy mo today? Let's see. Uy, Page of Swords again, air sign. Okay? Tingnan nyo ha, yan. Air sign, Page of Swords. So, po pwedeng air sign ulit or karamihan ng pumili ng pile number 2 is air sign. Again, so alam niyo naman yung zodiac ng air signs. Okay, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Mhm. Another communication. Mhm. Po pwedeng pwedeng maghahatid ka ng news or maghahatid ka ng balita, meron kang sasabihin sa someone. Kasi yung Ace of Swords kanina sa pal number one, you are waiting or you are talking. 'Di ba? Um, pwedeng currently or sabihin natin pwedeng sabihin natin potential pa lang. Potential to, alam mo yon yung talking, conversing on someone. While this pile number two, you are going to, ano to talk to someone. Meron kang sasabihin. Okay? Ikaw yung magbibigay ng, ikaw yung mag-i-initiate ng conversation or ikaw yung magbibigay ng message to someone. Okay, let's see. Iba sa inyo po pwedeng literally trabaho si newscaster or tagapaghatid ng balita, okay, or talagang, yun radio jockey or anything, ganyan. Baka lang baka. Hindi ko sinasabing specifically na iyon mismo, okay? So, first card is Knight of Swords. Di ba? Knight of Swords is, sabihin natin, taking action. Impulsively, can be impulsively or Tapos swords is communication. So you are going to talk to someone, may sasabihin ka sa other person or to a specific person. Whether you will interview someone to give opportunity, po pwedeng ganon, okay? Or you will um, something to someone directly, honest communication or honest messages na sasabihin mo to someone assertively, okay? May some kind of pagiging impulsive ka, okay? Impulsively sasabihin mo. Kasi Page of Swords and Knight of Swords, isabihin nating you will message someone impulsively or bigla-bigla, pabigla-bigla, parang ganon, mabilisan, talking to someone, parang ganon. Yung parang alam mo yung, I will give you an example, yung ano, kailangan ko siya makausap, asap, ganon. Iba sa inyo may pagka-rebellious na personality or sabi ko nga direct to the point, you are bold, okay? Ikaw yung klase ng person na if you're talking to someone, you will not sugarcoat. Sasabihin mo sa kanya as it is. Parang ganon. Honest conversation. So, halimbawa, if you are HR or halimbawa if you're not going to hire someone, you will sasabihin mo na um, hindi sabihin natin you're not qualified or anything. Basta blunt, honest communication to someone. Parang ganon. Uy, Ten of Swords. So, you can, pwede, meron kang i-confront na katrabaho, kapamilya, friends. You're going to confront about an endings. Okay? Or hindi pagkakasundo, hindi pagkakaunawaan. Okay? Or about a betrayal. You're going to confront. Being honest. Siguro meron kang napansin na ginawa nitong other person na to, and you will bluntly sasabihin sa kanya kung ano yung napansin mo. O kung nasaktan ka niya, sasabihin mo sa kanya na nasaktan mo ako. Directly, okay? Uy, for some of you, pal number 2, meron ako mukhang energy na po pwedeng you are po pwedeng meron kang i-confront na someone kasi for being, alam mo yon chismosa, chismis ka, or mamaya makikipagchismisan ka ha, meron kang nalaman na chika and you will, you will say it to someone na ichichika mo sa kanya kung ano yung nalaman mong balita. Don't do that kung halimbawang pwedeng mag-cause ng hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay. Or pwedeng sabihin natin, you will break down. You will tell someone na nasasaktan ka doon sa ginagawa niya and hindi mo nagugustuhan yung ginagawa niya. You're being honest with your feelings or with your emotion or pwede natin a logical reasoning kasi if you're an air sign, swords kasi to page and knight of swords, and then again swords again to, 10 of swords again to. So pwedeng pwede sigurong you reach your rock bottom, pwedeng na ano mo yung alam mo yung parang napika ka na in Tagalog, napika ka na, napikon ka na, parang ganun. Or vice versa, napuno ka na kasi paulit-ulit na lang na ginagawa or paulit-ulit na lang na hindi natututo or nakikinig, tapos paulit-ulit mo na lang sinasabi na pinagbibigyan, parang ganon. Okay? Pwedeng sa breakup to, pwedeng sa hindi pagkakaunawaan, itong sasabihin mo to someone. Okay? Again, this is another conversation tong pile number 2. Okay? Last card for pile number 2 is 6 of Swords. Again, swords to. So, this is purely air sign. transition, Six of Swords. So again, baka merong pagkakasunduan dito, hindi nagkaunawaan dahil siguro chinismis, binadmouth, or halimbawa, nag-away dahil sa betrayal, sa breakup, o pwedeng ganon. And then, going to calmer waters with the Six of Swords, pagbate, gusto maging same page kayo nung kakausapin mo, okay, or sisandan mo ng message, gusto mong magkaayos kayo, vice versa. Gusto mo nang mag-move on, kaya makikipag-usap ka kay ex, okay? Can be for pile number 2. Or talking to someone para magkaroon kayo ng closure after the storm or after ng pag-aaway. Okay? So after the 10 of Swords, yung betrayal, yung hurt, yung masasakit na batukan ng salita, pagmumurahan, pag-cursing ng sa isa't isa, okay? Baka you decided to talk to someone, to have a closure, to in order for you to move on or both of you to move on. Parang ganon. Okay? Or parang matuldukan na lang ba yung pag-aaway para magkaroon na ng endings. Okay? Kasi this is a transition po, pwedeng magkaroon ng closure or magkaayos pa para magkaroon ng renewal. So it can be anything. So take what's resonate. Okay, pile number 2. Okay. Po pwede rin sigurong about a specific news nga about job na nakuha, natanggap, or anything. Basta communication again for pile number 2. So, dun sa mga sinabi ko kanina. Okay? So, kung hindi nag-resonate, you're free to choose other pile. Okay? So, thank you so much pile number 2. Ayun yung energy check-up mo. I will go to pile number 3. So, pile number 3, kung ito yung napili mo, tingnan natin yung energy check-up mo. Okay, ano ba yung energy mo today? Pile number 3. Oops. 10 of Wands. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay. Yung ba sa inyo, baka lilipat, aalis, maglilipat. Okay. You are in a long travel. Mag-aalis sa balutan, maglalayas. Kasi nahihirapan or kung pwedeng namili, nag-grocery, meron ako nakuha ganon. 10 of Wands, you are struggling right now. Yung iba sa inyo na pumili ng pile number 3, there is a burden, meron kayong dinadala for some of you, meron kayong dinidibdib, it can be. Meron kayong dalahin ngayon. But still, you're moving forward. Kahit gaano ka bigat yung problema or kung ano man yung dinadala mo, still, nagpapakatatag ka pa rin. And nagkikeep going. Okay? So, tingnan natin. 10 of Wands. 10 is pwedeng completion. Meron ako nakuha na pumili ng pile number 2 is maraming pinagdaanan. Siguro, meron ako nakita na for some of you, meron kang bills na matagal mo nang binabayaran or matagal mo na responsibility na ikaw ang nagbabayad, ikaw ang nag-shoulder, and then, pwedeng patapos na yon. Okay? Nearly done with this Ten of Wands, completion, sabihin natin ganyan. Meron kang binili and then siguro installment mo siya nakuha, pupuwedeng gano'n, and this is a completion or malapit ng matapos. Okay? With the Seven of Wands, fire sign again. Mhm. Uy, sabi ko nga eh, yung mga pumili ng pa-number 3 is very independent or kayo yung breadwinners. Okay, yung iba sa inyo breadwinners. Kayo yung nagsusupport sa parents, sa mga kapatid. Okay. Meron ako dito nakuha na you're very strong, pile number 3. Kayo yung mga klase ng tao na kahit nahihirapan kayo, ayaw ninyong merong inaabalang ibang tao. You stand your ground. Okay? Kahit mahirap, you stand your ground. Ayaw nyong uh, may naaabala. Mhm. Pwedeng meron din nangyari na kailangan patunayan mo yung sarili mo sa ibang tao. Okay? Na kahit mahirap, kailangan mong patunayan sa kanila na tama yung desisyon mo. Meron akong nakuha ng gano'n, tama yung pinaglalaban mo. Mhm. Determinado ka kahit mahirap. Okay, so meron din akong nakita na specifically sa inyo na pumili ng pile number 3 na kahit sabihin ng iba or against yung iba sa ginagawa mo, determinado kang patunayan sa kanila na kahit mahirap, kakayanin mo. Okay? Kahit challenging siya, wala kang pakialam. Basta patutunayan mo, you stand your ground, patutunayan mo na tama yung decision mo. So, meron akong nakitang ganon. Whether decision sa love life, sa career, sa business, or anything, sa family, sa decision, okay? Depende sa inyo kung saan mag-resonate. Pwedeng about sa relationship, when kahit sabihin nating hindi boto ang mga relatives mo, mga mahal mo sa buhay, pinapatunayan mo na siya yung person mo, siya yung mahal mo, parang gano'n ha. So, nagbibigay lang ako ng example sa inyo guys para mas madali ninyong maunawaan. So, meron akong nakita dito na pinaglalaban mo. Okay, pinaglalaban mo yung person or yung decision mo na ginawa o yung ginagawa mo kahit na mahirap. Kasi gusto mo patunayan eh na ito yung decision ko. Okay. Hindi magbabago kung ano yung decision ko. Parang ganon. So, uh, pwedeng this is mine. Okay. When it comes naman sa pag-aari, this is mine. Akin to. Okay. So, walang po pwedeng makialam or basta parang ganon na kahit maging against sa'yo yung maraming tao, you choose to stand your ground and fight. Okay? Fight on your decision or kung sa pinapaniwalaan mo. Parang ganun, okay? So, sabihin na, this is Three of Pentacles. Oy! So, sabi ko nga sa inyo, pwedeng sa career to or pwedeng sa business or decision when it comes sa pwedeng sa pag-aaral or piniling kurso or basta about to sa pinili mo na desisyon and you are stand your ground and desidido ka kahit maraming nag-a-against sa'yo. Okay, so meron akong nakuhang ganyan. Yung dedication is nandoon. So, ibig sabihin, dedicated ka na kahit mahirap, kahit maraming nag-a-against sa'yo, kahit walang sumusuporta, kahit mag-isa ka lang, you stand your ground, you fight for what you want, what you love, or what you like. Parang ganon. Determination. Okay? Three of Pentacles is about a determination. Yun nga, di ba nakalagay eh. Teamwork, dedication, yung dedikasyon mo sa decision mo. Okay? Na gusto mong patunayan na tama. It can be a partnership also or sa pinili mo na pwede ring trabaho eh. Trabaho, kurso, relationship, person, okay? So anything na mag-resonate sa'yo. Okay, last card for pile number 3 is decision. Sabi ko, 'di ba? Two of swords, decision, crossroad. Okay. Ito yung energy na nakukuha ko sa pile number 3 is nahihirapan ka eh. Yes, nahihirapan ka. Meron kang desisyon, po pwedeng magdedesisyon ka pa lang or nagdesisyon ka na and kahit mahirap and kahit maraming nag-a-against, okay, um, andun yung dedication mo to prove na mali yung mga taong nag-a-against sa'yo. So, po pwedeng ganon, okay? So, po pwede rin you are currently on a hard decision making, okay? Or very difficult decision making. Sabi natin difficult, painful. So, po pwedeng maraming masasaktan. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, po pwedeng maraming masasaktan doon sa desisyon na gagawin mo. So, pwedeng mahihirapan ka talaga, alam mo yon. Pero, diba, sabi nga nila, kapag gusto mo, pagsisikapan mo. Kapag ginusto mo, kahit mahirap, kakayanin mo. Okay? So, yun yung nakuha kong energy ng pile number 3. Okay. Currently surviving and fighting, proving na ito yung decision ko. Ito yung gusto ko, parang ganun. So, take what's resonate. Kung hindi man, again, you are free to choose other pile number 3. Okay, I will end your energy checkup reading, pile number 3, and I will go to pile number 4. Okay, pile number 4. Ito yung energy check-up mo for today. So, ano ba yung sitwasyon mo? Ano ba yung pinagdadaanan mo? Ano ba yung energy mo right now? King of Swords. Air sign. Again, ang dami namang air sign dito. Hello sa aking mga air sign babies dyan. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Hello sa inyo. Okay. This is a very wise, smart person, which is, pag sinabi natin king, this is a authority kind of a person, very good in communication, fast-paced kind of a person, okay? So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabi nito, gagawin niya. Hindi niya lang sasabihin yon. Okay? Very cutthroat kind of a person also and very logical when it comes sa decision and sa pagsasalita. Okay, let's see. Aking mga King of Swords, ano ba yung energy check-up mo right now? Page of Cups. Uy. Page of Cups. Nakakatawa, no? King of Swords is a very logical person, but uh, pwedeng you are admiring someone or you are crushing someone or you are liking someone. Ayun na lang. You are liking or adoring someone. Oo. Pwedeng you are talking to someone that you're crushing with. Pwedeng ganun. Or pwede, alam mo yun, though you are a king, you are pwedeng entertaining about a relationship right now. Or emotions when it comes to emotions. You're very spiritual also. Pwede sigurong you are looking deep sa iyong spirituality, religion, can be. Basta you are, ano eh, you are on the point na yung parang inaano mo yung emotions mo right now when it regards sa relationship or emotions mo, emotion side mo. Though, logical ka, meron ako nakikita na yun yung ginagawa more energy mo right now. Mm. Yeah, message. Meron akong nakikita message eh. Your back-to-back messages sa ano eh, sa on admirer or sa crush. Connection mo or messages. Back-to-back messages. O pwede siguro meron kang ano, meron kang nililigawan ngayon or may nagsasabi sa'yo ng nagpo-profess ng feelings or emotions sa'yo. Mhm. Justice card, number 11. Hmm. Can be about law or about legal matter. Uy. Meron ako nakikita dito na someone is though logical siya eh, parang siguro meron kang kinakausap or sinasabihan about your feelings or nagiging honest ka about your emotions to someone. Let's see. Two of coins. Balance. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, okay, okay. So you are right now balancing yourself when it comes siguro sa cost or pwedeng mangyari, ano yung advantage, disadvantage on the relationship. Siguro if you going to pursue someone or going to pursue religion or anything, siguro yung meron ako nakikita dito, energy mo right now is parang nag-aano ka, nagde-daydream ka or nag-iisip ka, thinking ka ng kung ipa-pursue mo ba, kung iaano mo ba, what I mean, i-go mo ba yung nararamdaman mo to a specific person, kung very, ano yun, very smart ba yun na i-go mo or pansinin mo, pagtuunan ng pansin. Basta again, about a disadvantage and advantage. Meron ako nakikita na ganun. Kasi juggling ka eh. You are finding balance. Juggling whether you will go or you will stay. Parang ganun. Whether you will say yes or say no. Parang ganun. Mm-mm. Parang, alam mo yun, yung parang ano ka, kung urong or sulong, parang ganon, or laban o bawi, parang ganon. You're currently juggling. Okay? And siguro iniisip mo rin yung consequences sa pwedeng mangyari if you do this or paano yung ano naman yung mangyayari pag ito naman yung pinili mo. Parang ganon. Di ba? Pero may nakita ko dito about the relationship to your a person eh. kung ipupursue ko ba 'to, ano ba yung magiging outcome. Kapag hindi ko naman pinursue, ano naman yung magiging outcome, ano yung mangyayari or kapagka in-entertain ko 'to, ganito, ganyan, parang gano'n. Basta juggling, pinagpipilian. So, choices again 'to. So, this is again, 'pag sinabi nating pinagpipilian, communication pa rin 'to. So, pupuwede sigurong nag-iisip ka ng gagawin mo para maka-adapt dun sa situation. Para ano yung gagawin mo if ever na ganito yung mangyari, ano yung magiging ano mo, ano yung magiging solusyon mo, parang gano'n. So, nasa sa'yo yun. File number 4, kung mag-resonate sa'yo, take what's resonate na lang. Okay, so thank you so much, file number 4. Kung nag-resonate man ito, so very good. Pero kung hindi naman, okay lang. Okay, so hindi ko napapatagalin. I will go to the final card or final file, which is file number 5. Okay, so file number 4 or sa mga pumili ng file number 4, maraming salamat. So file number 5, ano yung energy mo ngayon? Okay, titingnan natin. Energy check-up ng file number 5. The moon, water sign, Scorpio specifically. Hoy, secrets, very secretive, unknown. Po pwedeng ano, naguguluhan or po pwedeng sabihin natin hidden pa. Oh, titingnan natin. Secrets, kasi meron ako nakikita eh. Baka yung iba din sa inyo is parang being secretive or being discreet. So, yun na, di ba? Yun yung sa being discreet sa ginagawa or sa nangyayari. When it comes to emotions, it can be, okay, discreet on relationship can be or on a person or communicating on person. Titingnan natin, file number 5. The moon card, Scorpio. Yung iba dito, water sign, Cancer, Pisces. Uy! Nine of Pentacles. O, diba? Very independent. Pentacles, pera. So, you're being discreet on your work, on your finances, kung ano man yung pinagkakabalahan mo ngayon. Okay? About your stability, about a business, or if you are planning to have a business or meron ka nang ginagawang business ngayon na pinagkakakitaan, specifically trabaho, o pwedeng you are a freelancer or a self business or self earning person, or po pwedeng you want to buy a property, you want to invest on something, you are being discreet with the moon card, being secretive. Okay, or you are discreet on your status when it comes to business or finances or relationship. Titingnan natin pang number 5. Uy, King of Pentacles. Oh. Po pwedeng you are an earth sign with a water placement or vice versa. You are a water sign with a earth placement on your natal chart. For some of you, masculine ang mga pumili ng, karamihan ng pumili ng pala number 5 is masculine or masculine ka, or this is a masculine you are dealing with. Diba? Meron ako nakikita dito, you are discreet on your wealth. Sa pinagkakaabalahan mo sa pera. You are discreet on your status when it comes to finances. Oo. Or you are discreet on your work. Or kung anong ginagawa mo sa buhay. Pwedeng You are working on yourself, nagpapayaman ka, sana all. Okay. Pero discreet ka or you are working on the background pero hindi mo sinasabi sa iba. You are thriving pero you are not telling others or your family or friends or sa iba. Basta you are keeping it sa sarili mo lang. Mm. O pwedeng merong nag-finance sa'yo or may sumusuporta sa'yo na King of Pentacles or person, pero discreet ka lang doon. Hindi mo pinagsasabi, hindi mo pinapaalam sa iba na merong nagsusupport sa'yo when it comes sa finances. So, let's see. Uy, Queen of Wands. Hala ka! Naku po. For some of you, meron ditong Queen of Wands or a very beautiful person. You're a very beautiful person, whether you are a Queen of Wands, who is very discreet na merong karelasyon na supporting her on finances. There is someone here is secret or the moon, sabihin natin hidden. Or po pwedeng nga mistress, can be there is someone here na may mistress na sinusuportahan or hindi mistress or may partner or merong if you're a masculine, meron ka sinusuportahan na girl. Hindi mo pinapaalam sa iba. Kasi Queen of Wands sa other tarot reader, it signifies other woman if you're already married. Yung iba ha, they said na it is other woman. Okay? Baka nga. I don't know ha. Depende sa inyo kung mag-resonate. O pwedeng may other woman, yung King of Pentacles dito. Itong si King of Pentacles, sabihin nga nating thriving dahil maraming pera. Okay? Very independent. Nine of Pentacles, stability. Maraming pera nga. Pero hidden. Merong itinatago. Merong walang nakakaalam na merong sinusuportahan na babae. It can be ha. Or may nagugustuhan na babae. Nako. O pwedeng merong itinatago na connection to someone. O pwedeng ganon ha. Take what's resonate. Okay? Kasi this is two person. Babae sa lalaki. Po pwedeng a King of Pentacles is eyeing on a Queen of Wands because this Queen of Wands is very independent. Po pwede naman ganun din. Secretly may gusto siya doon sa babae or doon sa may Queen of Wands natin. Kasi itong Queen of Wands is independent siya. 'Di ba? Confident siya. Businesswoman to. Pwede ganun, businesswoman. Nagugustuhan siya nung guy. Pero hidden pa. What I mean is hindi pa nagkakaaminan, hindi pa sinasabi. Pwedeng ganon. Okay? Hindi pa nagko-confess. Or, pwedeng hindi alam ng Queen of Wands na itong si King of Pentacles na low profile lang is very very wealthy pala. Kaso lang, secretive kasi itong King of Pentacles kaya hindi alam nung King of Wands na marami palang pera yung King. Okay? Yung nagkakagusto sa kanya. So, it can be Okay, so take what's resonate. Wag ipilit kung hindi mag-resonate, okay? So, yun lang yung nakikita ko. Hmm. Or same na wealthy yung masculine and yung feminine dito sa pile number 5. Same silang wealthy. Kaya nagustuhan nung earth sign king of pentacles yung queen of wands kasi very independent and very wealthy din. Same like him. Parang ganon. Kaya kaya gusto niya. Pero hidden or secrets pa, hindi pa nare-reveal yung feelings, your connections, or your emotions sa isa't isa. Parang ganon. Or, pwedeng there is a mistress or anything, parang hidden person sa other one na committed. So, take what's resonate, guys. So, this is already an energy check-up, a short pick, a card reading. So, maraming maraming salamat. I hope nag-resonate sa inyo yung pile na napili ninyo. Kung hindi man, it's okay. Huwag ipilit. Again, huwag ipilit. Okay, so this is the video na i-upload ko kung saan ninyo ilalagay yung username ninyo sa ilalim ng video na uploaded. Okay? Ililista ko yon, ilalagay ko sa isang mangkok. Sa next na upload ko na pick a card, doon ko i-announce. May kita nyo rin doon yung pagpili ko, yung mga name na nasa mangkok, okay? So, guys, kapag nag-comment ka, automatic, nakalista ang pangalan mo doon sa mga nakalagay sa mangkok, okay? I will make sure nakalista. Kaya kung sino yung magko-comment ng username, mapapasama doon sa libreng personal reading. So, 2 person yon. Okay? So, 100% free yon. Basta, make sure na subscriber ka. Okay? So, maraming maraming salamat again. Happy Sunday sa inyo. Hindi ko napapatagalin. This is Laluna. Please keep on supporting. So, last check ko is nasa already 3,960 na tayo plus na subscriber. Konti na lang, guys. Please help me to reach 4K subscriber, okay? Konti na lang. Okay, so maraming maraming salamat. I will end this reading. Happy Sunday sa inyong lahat. Bye!